We've heard of killer bees and murder hornets, but this may be the first actual zombie ant. In 2019, scientists uncovered a new species of parasitic fungus that takes over the brains of its insect hosts, turning them into real-life zombies. And it's all for the purpose of sex. Let me explain. This terrifying fungus, which is called Ophiocordyceps, has been around for at least 48 million years. It's a type of parasitic mold that attacks the nervous system of insects, taking over their minds and turning them into what's known as a fruiting body. Think of the classic zombie movie trope where the infected person's eyes turn black and they shuffle around aimlessly. Well, something similar happens here, except the ants just climb up to the top of a leaf or a twig and then they die. And then the fungus sprouts from their dead bodies, releasing even more spores into the world to infect more ants and start the process all over again. Now, this particular species of Ophiocordyceps was only discovered in 2019 in the jungles of Thailand, and it has been formally named yet. But scientists have been studying other species of this parasitic fungus for decades. What they've learned is that there are at least 1,500 different types of these cordyceps, each one with its own unique way of infecting and controlling its hosts. Some species infect carpenter ants, while others target leafcutter ants, or even termites. Once a single zombifying spore lands on an unsuspecting insect, it immediately begins to secrete a chemical cocktail that dissolves the outer shell of the insect's exoskeleton. From there, the fungus sends tendrils into the insect's body to latch onto its internal organs and start feeding itself. As the fungus grows, it starts to take over the insect's nervous system, sending signals to the insect's brain that override the insect's own behavior patterns. Because of this, the infected insect acts totally natural, tricking its colony mates into thinking everything's alright. It can even continue to perform essential tasks like gathering food or defending the colony from intruders. But as the fungus continues to grow, the zombified insect eventually succumbs to the infection, allowing the fungus to spread even further. So why do you need to know about this terrifying fungus? Well, it turns out that understanding how nature as zombification works could help us develop new ways of controlling insect pests that feed on crops or transmit deadly diseases. Plus, it's just wild to think about how something so terrifying exists in the world. Like we don't even have to imagine it. It's real. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, stay tuned for more.